This is Dave with Kind, and today we're going to look at how we get your customers' plan and entitlement data into your product using the Kind account API. So what we're essentially talking about, if we're going to say sign up a new user, and I'm going to get asked which plan that I want to go onto. So let's say we want to get onto the Pro plan. So I'm going to choose this. This is currently in one of Kind's test environments. So it means I'm able to use Stripe's dummy card details. So if I subscribe and pay now, once the subscription is complete and I continue, I'll go back into our product, and what we'll see is I've got my user data details. You can see I'm on the Pro plan. It shows me the organization I'm on, the plan, when I subscribed. I can see my base price. I can see how many seats for that entitlement. I can see what chat credits I've got and whether or not I've got access to the insights. I can also just see what's coming back from the API here. So to give you an idea of what that looks like in code, essentially, I have, this is just using the Kind starter kit. So I've pulled in the get entitlements from the use kind auth hook. This is essentially passing all that data through. So this is what's rendering that pill. And then I have a component for rendering out that plan data. Essentially just doing a bit of formatting and showing some icons based on the data that comes through from the API. Essentially all the heavy lifting is handled by this get entitlements helper. So what that's doing is using the user access token to call the Kind API. Have a quick look in the browser. Making an API call to the Kind account API to get the entitlements. It's using our user access token here. And this is the response that we're getting, and we're then able to render this in this nice table. All right, next we'll take a look at changing plans and how you can run workflows in order to determine whether or not you need to do something about it.